This is an unboxing of the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 men's rechargeable cordless trimmer, model MG7750-59. It's a 24-piece set and it's powered by a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, and it's said to deliver up to 6 hours of runtime per charge. It's recommended to charge the multigroom unit before use. Charging should take about 2 hours, but for a quick charge, it can be done in 5 minutes. The trimmer has an automatic worldwide voltage of 100 to 240 volts, and this particular unit is made in Indonesia. It's made of a mix of tempered steel reinforced with a ultra strong fiberglass material and rubber grips. It's got this DualCut technology, which includes 2 times more blades. The steel blades lightly brush against each other, sharpening themselves as they work. It comes in 1 speed, so it's not a variable speed trimmer. The unit can be used corded or cordless, so it can be used while it's charging. It's fully washable, so cleaning should be fairly easy to do after dusting it off with a cleaning brush. But even though it's washable, it's not waterproof, so it's not recommended to submerge the trimmer underwater and not meant to be used in the shower. And you should not charge or operate this unit until it's fully dried. It's got a 6-year limited warranty and features an international warranty, so check the Philips website for more details. Warranty exchanges will be dependent on the availability of the product in the country that the warranty claim is being made in. The lowest link setting for the Norelco Multigroom 7000 without a guard is 0.5 mm and 16 mm is the highest one. The sizes are displayed on the guards, but the model numbers on the interchangeable heads are a bit hard to read unless you look really close. Now we've got the trimmer unit, the precision shaver, the precision trimmer, 2 body hair guards, 2 stubble guards, extra wide hair trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, and 6 guards here on the box shown. There should be more, like a storage bag and brush, so let's take a look inside the box. Here's the main trimmer parts. There are 2 stubble guards, 3 beard guards, 1 eyebrow guard, 4 hair guards, 2 fading guards, and 2 body guards. The tools were pretty easy to change out. To take off the cutting element, push up against the teeth and take it off the handle. To put it back on, insert the lug of the cutting element into the guiding slot at the front and push the back to hear a click. To attach any of the guards, slide the front part of the guard onto the teeth of the cutting element. Then push down on the center of the guard with your fingers or palm of your hand and you'll hear a click. To take off a guard, carefully pull its back part off the unit and slide it off the cutting element. With the nose trimmer or shaver, you put your finger on the arrow at the back of the attachment and push it off the handle in the direction of the arrow. For any of the unused attachments, those can be stored in the bag it came with. Now this trimmer can cut your hair, it can trim beards and body hair, and smooth shaved hair off the body, head, or beard. It can do your eyebrows, nose hair, and ear hair as well, and this all depends on the attachments used. Now if your barber or stylist uses a number 2 to shave your hair, generally the number 2 guard is 1/4 of an inch, so a little over 6 mm. There's no 6 mm hair guard, so you need to test out the different guards for your own particular purposes. Remember, this is a trimmer, not a shaver. So unless you're holding it at the exact perfect angle, you may nick yourself. It's also recommended to use the trimmers with caution when used below the waist or with sensitive areas of the body. When the battery is almost empty, the battery status indicator will light up orange. It takes approximately 2 hours of charging for 5 hours of use. There is a charge indicator on the handle and it'll flash white while charging. It doesn't come with a base. It comes with a 5-foot cord that you'll plug in the shaver to charge it. Some comments I've seen is that the power button is too easy to accidentally touch. Some have said they've turned it on and off many times when going through a complete routine. Also, this unit doesn't have a travel lock feature, so if you take it on the road and have it in the bag with other items, it could accidentally turn on and drain the battery. But all in all, I've seen very positive comments about this model, and sure, it will come in handy on those trimming occasions. Hope your experience is the same. Thanks for watching.